Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, geometrical constructions. In previous video, we have seen construction of a triangle when three sides are given. Now let us see second point. To construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. It means that two sides are given and one angle is given, and by using this we can construct a triangle. So let us see example. Draw triangle PQR such that length of PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Measure of angle P is equal to 50 degree. Length of PR is equal to 5 centimeter. So first we have to draw a rough diagram. Length of PR is given 5 centimeter. Angle P is equal to 50 degree. And length of PQ is given 5.5 centimeter. So by using this rough figure, we can draw required figure. So let us see. First we have to take scale, and now we have to take PR of 5 centimeter. So start from 0 to 5. So here we have to draw PR 0 to 5, that is 5 centimeter. Next we have to draw angle P at point P. So here we have to draw angle P of 50 degree. So take protractor. Now put this middle point on this point P and this line on this segment PR. Now see the direction of line segment. It is on right hand side. So from right hand side we can count angle of 50 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So mark here. Now join these 2 points. And take point G. Now we got ray PG. Now on this ray PG we have to take a distance of 5.5 centimeter. So here by using compass we have to take distance of 5.5 centimeter. So start from 0 to 5, and see after 5 we have to count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5 which is lies between 5 to 6. Now draw this line or open the compass to 5.5 centimeter and placing the compass point on P, and draw an arc to cut ray PG at R. So here we can give the point Q, and now we have to join points Q and R. Now PQ is 5.5 centimeter and angle P 50 degree. So this is a required figure. Here you have to take 5.5. This distance 5.5 centimeter. Now let us see examples from practice set 3. Let us see question. Draw triangles with the measures given below. In triangle FUN, length of FU is given 5 cm, length of UN is given 4.6 cm, and measure of angle U is equal to 110 degree. Now we have to draw first a rough figure. angle U is given 110. It means that it is an obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree. So here we have to consider UN 4.6 centimeter. Angle U is given 110 degree, and here we have to consider a point F, and FU is given 5 centimeter. So by using this rough figure we can draw required figure. So let us start. We have to take UN as a base of 4.6 centimeters. So start from 0 to 4, and after 4 we have to count 6 lines, and 4.6 which lies between 4 to 5. So this is UN of 4.6 centimeter. Now we have to take angle. Always remember, first take angle and then side. So put on this point U, because angle U is given. So we have to draw angle P, angle U at point U, and angle U is given 110 degree. See the direction of line, it is on right hand side. So start from this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and here 110. So mark here, and now join these 2 points. Now take any point here, point M. Now we got ray UM, and on this ray UM we have to take distance FU of 5 centimeter. So by using compass we have to take distance of 5 centimeter. So start from 0 to 5. Now we have to put this compass on this point U and draw the arc to cut ray UM. Now join these 2 points. And give this point F. Now we got this point F. Now we got triangle FUN. Angle U is equal to 110 degree, which is obtuse angle. Length of FU 5 centimeter and UN 4.6 centimeter. So this is required figure. Now I am going to give you a few examples from practice set 3. So you have to solve it in your notebook. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.